cowboy. Save a horse, ride cowboy.
Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to review a fun country song called Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy. Of course made famous by Big and Rich. Written by Big Kenny and John Rich, Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy peaked at number 11 on the Billboard US Country Charts in 2004. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. So what we're going to do first is we'll have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know. Then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great country song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Alright, in order to get all the way through Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy, you're only going to need to know 3 basic chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is an E major. You're going to need to know an A chord. And finally, there's a G. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover. Dun 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 dun. $100 bills and it kills and thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I buy the bars up around the crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same, 'cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city, make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Well, I don't give a dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling bling while the girls are drinking long necks down. And I wouldn't trade old Leroy for my Chevrolet or your Escalade or your freak parade. The only John Wayne left in this town, 'cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city, make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Oh yeah. Well, I'm a thoroughbred, that's what she said. In the back of my truck bed, just getting buzzed on the suds of some backcountry road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a big and rich time. I was going just about as far as she'd let me go. Well, her valuation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long. So I took her out gigging frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog, and I sang her every Willie Nelson song I could think of, and we made love. As I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city, make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, let's learn how to play Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy. Obviously, it's a very, very easy song to play. In fact, 90% of the song, you only use the E in the A chord. The G only appears in the chorus, which makes it very, very easy to learn. With that said, we're going to break this into basically 3 parts. I'm going to show you the verses, how to play the chorus, and then how to play what would be considered the bridge. But the bridge is played exactly the same way as the verses are. So it makes it, again, very, very easy. With that, let's get to the verses. Okay, so for the verses, I palm mute the chords. Now, what does that mean? For those of you that don't know, palm muting is when you use this tissue of your hand, this fattier tissue of your hand, and you basically place it over the strings. And rather than the chords resonating, it mutes them a little bit. Let me show you while I strum an E chord. Rather than letting the chord resonate, I palm mute it so it doesn't do that. Now, you can choose to do that or simply strum the chords outright. It's completely up to you. I palm mute the verses and the bridge, but I strum the chords outright in the chorus. With that, the verse starts on the E major chord and goes something like this. Well, I walk into the room, passing out $100 bills, and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill. And I buy the bar double round the crown, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same. And then that takes you into the chorus. Let's have a look now. Okay, the chorus starts on the E chord and goes something like this. 'Cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old stud Leroy, and the girls say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. And then back into the verses again. Let's finish things off with a closer look at that bridge. Okay, there is a bridge in this particular song, although some might say it's just another verse. That's fine. Because it is slightly different lyrically, I'm going to call it a bridge. It is, however, played the same as the verses. It only encompasses 2 chords, the E and the A. And again, I choose to palm mute these chords rather than strum them outright. You can do either or, of course, both work. This bridge goes something like this. Well, I'm a thoroughbred, that's what she said in the back of my truck bed as I was getting buzzed on suds on some backcountry road. We were flying high, fine as wine, having ourselves a big and rich time, and I was going just about as far as she'd let me go. Well, her evaluation of my cowboy reputation had me begging for salvation all night long. So I took her out gigging frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog, and I sang her every Willie Nelson song I could think of. And we made love. And that's it. There you have it. Big and rich. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.